Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is Diwali. So my best wishes to anyone and everyone who celebrates Diwali. So wishing all of you a very, very happy Diwali. So during Diwali, if you know, typically the Indians, they buy a lot of gold. So I want to talk about gold and gold ETF today because this is very relevant to today to the celebrations of today, Diwali. So we'll talk about buying gold ETF during Diwali. So as usual, my request to you on Diwali day, before we start, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive into Gold ETF. So as you know, before I start any topic, I talk about my ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job. I've spoken about my preparation before I jumped into the world of entrepreneurship. I've spoken about the challenges I faced as an entrepreneur, and I've spoken about how I overcame those challenges that I faced. So all that is there in this ebook. Now, I would imagine a lot of you who are into full-time jobs would be looking to becoming an entrepreneur someday. So with all you guys in mind, I put down 3 worksheets where you have to answer certain questions and get points. Now, these questions are aimed at aimed at identifying your mind or the condition of your mind before you actually jump into the world of entrepreneurship, so that you know whether you where you stand in terms of your success or potential success as an entrepreneur. So you have to answer certain questions, get points, and towards the end you would know how much you score and where you stand. Now, I have also scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010. You will get to know how much I scored, and you will also get to know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, the other one in India, and representations in the US and North American markets. So the coolest thing now about this ebook is that it's available to you for free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is currently flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and a link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you love the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. So let's now talk about the benefits of investing in Gold ETF. Gold ETF is the most liquid ways to invest in gold internationally. Exchange traded funds or ETFs are one of the most liquid ways to invest in gold internationally. In India, there are about 11 different listed gold ETF listed. Gold ETF provides a similar value to sovereign gold bonds or SGBs, as it is also linked to gold prices, but it has no exit restrictions. So it is very, very good. The second benefit is gold ETFs are highly regulated. The regulation ensures investor interests are protected. Gold ETFs tend to be tax efficient as it is subjected to long-term capital gains tax in whichever country that's applicable, with indexation benefits. So those are the 2 great benefits of investing in gold ETFs. And if you are an investor and you love gold, investing in gold, maybe you should want to go. You would want to go into investing in gold ETFs. I'm listing down about 13 gold ETF schemes in India. If you're in India, you can invest in any one of these, and they're not in some hierarchy or some order or any preference, nothing. They've just been listed here. So do your own research on each one of them and then see which one you want to invest in. Now, I wanted to also talk about, how do you correctly choose a gold ETF scheme? Now, the probability of gold exchange traded fund schemes can be determined by looking at the investment profiles of the scheme. First, the asset under management, or AUM. Now, this is very common. So, AUM is defined as the market value of all financial assets that a company manages for its investors. It is, if a company has a high AUM value, it reflects on the high number of clients and portfolios that it handles. So AUM is something that you must consider. Second is the net asset value, or NAV. So NAV is the value of the company's assets except the value of the liabilities. It is also the ETF's per share value. So NAV is arrived at by dividing the total value of all securities in the firm's portfolio except the liabilities by the number of outstanding fund shares. So this is much more concrete, and it gives you the actual value of the fund. And the last is the returns. So the returns is essentially the profits or income made by an ETF scheme or portfolio. So that's what it is. Now, these are the three elements that you must consider or look at before you invest in any gold ETF or any kind of ETF for that matter. So gold ETF evaluation is nothing different from the evaluation of normal ETFs. So as a summary, I would say, especially because this is Diwali time, and since people invest in gold, you may want to look into investing in gold ETFs now. And there is a lot of future in that, a lot of potential in that. If you're in India, I listed down 13 gold ETF schemes. Maybe you want to look at any one of them. If you're looking to, getting more information or get an expert's advice, you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I will put the link to that page in the description box below. Then we can see, how I can help you there. So that's all that I wanted to share with you on Diwali Day. I will also link you to the video where I've spoken extensively on actually two videos. One of them, I'll link you to the first video where I've spoken about investing in gold and why that is a great idea. So I'll link you to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. I'm sure that'll be useful to you. So, well, thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with about 20 years of global experience. If you want to know more about me, I would put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it. Go to the profile page on LinkedIn. If you want to connect with me, send me an invite. As a profession, I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or like I said before, you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I will put the URL in the description box below, and then we can communicate and see how we can work together. So finally, before I go, wishing each one of you a very, very happy Diwali once again. You take care. Take care of yourselves and your families. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. And also please like and subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos, smash that notification bell, and share my videos. So thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye.